Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, the iQOO mobile company is launching a new mobile. iQOO is releasing the all-new iQOO Neo 7. The Amazon and the iQOO both have made formal announcements of this. iQOO Neo 7's entire specifications and features will be revealed in today's video. Keep watching until the end to know full details. Neo 7's entry-level model, which comes with 12GB RAM and 256GB of storage, will cost about 34,000 Indian rupees, while its top-tier variant, which comes with 12GB RAM and 512GB of storage, will cost about 37,700 Indian rupees. The smartphone features 3 cameras installed on the back, a 50MP primary camera with an f/1.8 aperture, an 8MP camera with an f/2.2 ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2MP camera with an f/2.4 macro lens. Additionally, it sports a 16MP f/2.0 wide-angle primary lens for selfies. The Neo 7 has a 6.78-inch, 17.22 cm, AMOLED screen with a pixel density of 388 ppi and a resolution of 1080 by 1200 pixels. The smartphone has a display with no bezels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The 5000 mAh non-removable Li polymer battery in the gadget is a part of the family. Additionally, a 120W fast charging mechanism is supported. It is configured with an outstanding MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus chipset and 8GB of RAM. Additionally, it contains an octa-core CPU with a 3.2 GHz operating speed that uses the Cortex-A510, Cortex-A710, and Cortex-X2 layout. Storage: the Neo 7 5G gadget contains 128GB of internal memory. The gadget has 5G, B/G/N, mobile hotspot, USB OTG, 4G VoLTE, Bluetooth version 5.3, Wi-Fi 802.11, USB Type-C, and AGPS as its networking features. The iQOO Neo 7 5G has a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen and a potent triple camera arrangement on the back. It boasts a 16-megapixel front camera, which is remarkable. The device's back camera provides a ton of unique features. If you enjoy this video, please like, share, and remember to subscribe.